Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox avatar not loading. To know how to fix a Roblox avatar not loading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to Roblox app. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox and you can update your Roblox app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.